Copy, move sector.
Four regions, four pressures, and tensions that could reshape the world. From the Red Sea to the battlefields of Eastern Europe, across the shifting sands of the Sahel and into the contested waters of East Asia. These are the flashpoints of the world. Every day, decisions made in these hotspots echo far beyond their borders. A ship seized, a drone launched, a patrol intercepted, small actions that can carry global consequences. Today we follow a map to understand how geography, politics, and military power collide. The Red Sea is one of the most important highways of global trade. A narrow passage, the Bab el-Mandab Strait, links Asia, Africa, and Europe. Almost 15% of world shipping depends on this narrow choke point. But in recent years, these waters have turned volatile. From the coast of Yemen, Houthi forces have targeted commercial vessels, missiles, drones, and attempted seizures of international crew. A routine trade route suddenly became a front line. Oil tankers and cargo ships diverted course, traveling thousands of kilometers around the Cape of Good Hope, adding weeks of travel time and millions in extra fuel and insurance. A point of note: these are not random attacks. It stems from primarily the war on Gaza, Syria, and a myriad of events colliding. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the reality of modern conflict, one strike in one narrow strait, and the ripple spreads across the global economy. In Eastern Europe, the war between Russia and Ukraine continues to evolve, from trench warfare and artillery duels to a high-tech contest dominated by drones. The front lines stretch for hundreds of kilometers, where small villages change hands in fierce fighting, and where overhead, hundreds of drones fly every day for surveillance, attack, and defense. In the Black Sea, seaborne drones have struck tankers and warships, opening a new dimension of naval warfare. Each missile launch, each armored push, reshapes alliances, redraws supply lines, and shifts the strategic balance of Europe. This is no longer just a regional war. It's a demonstration of what 21st century conflict looks like. One mistake, one false move or false flag, and everything is affected. Across the Sahel, stretching from Mali to Niger and Burkina Faso, a chain of military coups, insurgencies, and foreign interventions has turned the region into one of the world's most unstable frontiers. Governments have fallen, borders have blurred, and new actors, from private military companies to external powers, compete for influence across deserts, mines, and trade routes. The result is a power vacuum that reaches far beyond Africa, fueling migration pressures, destabilizing neighbors, and inviting geopolitical competition from east and west. What happens here doesn't stay here. The Sahel is becoming a new battleground for global influence. In East Asia, the world watches a region where seconds matter. The skies over the East China Sea, the waters surrounding the Senkaku or Diaoyu Islands, apologies for butchering these names, and the heavily patrolled Taiwan Strait see constant maneuvers, naval standoffs, air intercepts, and close encounters. A misjudged radar lock, a patrol too close, a sudden escalation. Any one of these could spark a crisis involving the region's strongest militaries and some of the world's largest economies. From aircraft carriers to missile batteries, power is on display every day, and every movement is a message. These four flashpoints may be separated by oceans, deserts, and borders, but they are connected by a single truth. Geography shapes the stakes, technology accelerates the response, and decisions made in one corner of the world can echo everywhere else.